remotely lock or unlock your doors directly through our mobile app, making it easy to let visitors in without having to be there. Unique lock codes allow you to give trusted individuals the freedom to come and go without sacrificing security or control. Set schedules for each user and enable real-time alerts so you know who has accessed your home and when. And because you can easily create and disable codes at any time, there's no need to rekey or change your locks. Our smarter solution helps you protect and control the entire perimeter of your home, including the garage. Should you ever leave home without closing the door, you'll receive an alert letting you know so that you can secure it remotely through the app with the touch of a button. Easily integrate smart locks into a scene where a single command controls multiple devices. Activate an away scene, for example, to lock your doors, close your garage, and arm your security system, all with the touch of a button.